Hey guys, I totally forgot to film an intro to this video, so here I am. Today's video, I am going 100% vegan. It's going to be a full day of vegan eating. You guys know that I have been trying to like shove myself and my family in like the plant-based direction. So I decided today I was gonna tackle it head on. Camera's not focusing. I was gonna tackle it head on, and we're doing a full day of vegan eating, and I'm gonna include all the recipes and stuff like that. So yeah, so let's, like I said, it's late, it's 7:30 at night, and I forgot to film an intro, So before we begin though, if you like these kind of videos, or if you like cooking and cleaning type of videos, like food videos, next week, so starting on the 27th, it's going to be 4 videos that week, all cooking and cleaning and like recipe and food related. So make sure you come back and watch those videos if you like it, and please consider subscribing if you're new. I'd love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it. So without further ado, let's start this full day of eating. So here is breakfast. I have a few of my breakfast granola bites. I've made these before, but I use vegan chocolate and maple syrup, strawberries, and an apple, and then I also have coffee with some coconut creamer made with coconut milk in it. And overall, I'm really happy with this breakfast, and I can't wait to eat it.
So moving on to lunch, these are vegan quinoa and lentil like meatballs. Oh my goodness, guys, this had to be my favorite recipe of the day, or the favorite thing that I ate in the day. They were so good. The pasta that I had was from Trader Joe's. I can't remember the name of it. It's in the pasta section, and it's made from red lentils. It's not like a wheat pasta. I will try to link it if I can find it down below. But overall, guys, this meal was so satisfying and so delicious. And like I said, I'm gonna link all of the recipes down below. Definitely check this one out because those meatballs were amazing.
So this is my dinner. I know that this is a pretty high sugar dinner, but I'm just, I'm giving into my cravings here. So I have 2 dates, I have some strawberries, and then I have an English muffin with a homemade vegan like cheese spread. I made this last night. Let me show it to you. This is all of it. It's cashews, there's just a bunch of other stuff, nutritional yeast. I'll list the recipe down in my description box, but if you guys remember, I love Alouette, which is like it's like a cream cheese, like cheese spread, and it has, it's just my favorite, but obviously it's cheese and I can't eat that today, so I made this, and I really think that it's a good substitute. Like, cheese is cheese, and you can only get so close to a substitute when you're going vegan, but I really like this, and I would recommend it to you guys, so definitely check the description box if you are interested. Oh my god, look at like all this stuff behind me. So it's like 8:30, I just finished eating probably about an hour ago. I think I made dinner at like 7:30. And then I've just been like catching up on YouTube videos and stuff like that. But usually that eating that late is a little bit different for me. I just had like a weird day with Ev, and like she went to bed late. But honestly, I try not to eat like even past 6. So eating at 7:30 to me was definitely a little bit later. I really try not to eat that late. But I just wanted to like kind of do an outro and like tell you how I'm feeling. Like today was just really wonderful. I didn't snack at all. And I think that was just a combination of like, I literally didn't eat anything else, like from what you saw. Like I just had breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I did have a coffee around 4. I don't know if you'd count that as a snack, but I think it was just a combination of everything. I was just like super busy today, and my meals were really large, so I wasn't really hungry in between meals. But those meatballs though, oh my goodness, those were so good, guys. Like I definitely recommend them, and my husband loved them, and like that he's actually taking the rest of them for lunch, like for the week, like for lunch for the week, for the rest of the week. They were really good, and I think that they were a really good like substitution and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend those. I will absolutely leave all my recipes down below in the description box. But yeah, I'm feeling really good. I know I hear a lot of people, I mean, I don't know if everybody hears this, but I hear some people saying that like they could never do a vegan diet because they feel like it's not filling enough, or like they're left unfulfilled. And I can tell you that today I definitely didn't have that issue. I wasn't hungry like one time. And also, the reason I'm doing this is there's a variety of reasons that I want to go vegan. There's a variety of reasons, and I would say the biggest one is obviously health, because I just think that a more like plant-based diet is the way to go. But also just like the logistics of the meat and dairy industry are pretty horrific, and I kind of just don't want to like super contribute to that, you know, especially when like there are other, like there's a ton of other great food out there that we can be eating. But my big thing and what I want to leave you on is I just don't want to label myself, you know. I feel like when you label yourself, that's when things start to go bad. Like when you say the word vegan, like suddenly everybody becomes a nutritionist and like wants to talk to you like to make sure you're not getting enough protein and stuff like that. And likewise, if I say like, yes, I'm a vegan, and then in my next vlog you see me like shoveling buffalo chicken dip into my face, you're gonna be like, what the hell? Or maybe not you, but I know some people can get angry when, you know, I see it with other vloggers where, you know, they'll come out and say that they're vegan, and then they'll get some pretty nasty hate comments saying like, oh, I thought you were vegan, what are you doing eating that? And I just don't want to do that. I really don't want to label myself. You know, I eat what I eat. I can tell you that my plan, or what I would like to do, is live a plant-based like vegan lifestyle most of the time, and maybe have, you know, a few servings of meat and dairy like throughout the week. But like I said, generally I'd like to be plant-based. So for right now, I'm committing like 1 or 2 days a week to like a fully plant-based diet, like the entire day, which is what you saw today. And as well, you know, I have a family. I'm not just feeding myself, so I need to take into account like what my husband likes and what Evie likes and stuff like that. So I just wanted to pop on here and kind of like just, I don't know, explain that to you. Is my camera like not focused on me? I'm sorry if I was out of focus that entire time, but so yeah, so that's what I ate today. I'm feeling really good. No eating for me like for the rest of the night. If I'm super hungry, it's 8:30 though. I doubt I'm gonna be hungry. I'll have like some blueberries or something like that, but yeah, so that's it. So let me know your thoughts if you're like trying to go more plant-based, or if you're like against it, or like let's have a little conversation, or tell me like some of your favorite recipes or something like that. Like I said in the beginning of my video, make sure you come back next week. Next week is cooking and cleaning week on my channel. I don't think I'm going to do any vegan recipes, but I know that there's going to be one vegetarian recipe in there that maybe I'll do a vegan recipe. I don't know. But I know for sure there's going to be one vegetarian recipe in there. So, yeah. So I love you forever, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.